The Tale of the Shirazi Salad. In the golden heart of Persia, where the sun kisses the rooftops of Shiraz and the scent of roses and citrus floats through the air, there lived an old woman named Mahi, known far and wide for her magical salads. Every morning, Mahi would walk to the bazaar, her basket swinging by her side. She chose her ingredients with care: cucumbers as green as emeralds, tomatoes blushing like dawn, and onions white as moonlight. Back home, under the shade of a pomegranate tree, Mahi would hum softly as she worked. Her knife danced through the air, chop, 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 slicing the vegetables into tiny jewels. Each piece, she would say, must be small enough to fit a spoon and big enough to hold a story. Into a clay bowl went the cucumbers first, cool and crisp, then the tomatoes, bright and sweet, bursting with the Shirazi sun, and finally the onion, sharp and honest, the spice of life itself. From her cupboard, Mahi took a small jar of dried mint gathered from the hills the summer before. She sprinkled it gently, letting the green specks fall like snow over the colors of the garden. Then came the lime juice, squeezed fresh, drops of sunshine turned sour, a pinch of salt, a breath of pepper, and, if she was feeling fancy, a drizzle of olive oil to make it shine. She stirred it all together, whispering, "May this salad bring freshness to hearts and smiles to lips." Before long, the village children would gather round her courtyard. "Bibi Mahi, Bibi Mahi, tell us the secret again." And she'd laugh, serving them small bowls of the salad, cool as the evening breeze. "The secret," she'd say with a wink, "isn't in the mint or the lime. It's in the joy you mix it with." And so, from one generation to the next, the Shirazi salad lived on, simple, colorful, and full of heart. Even today, when you chop your cucumbers and tomatoes, you can almost hear Bibi Mahi humming in the distance, reminding you, every salad is a story, and every story begins with love.